for Oklahoma Disaster Restoration was caught outside as Sunday's EF2 tornado barreled down on him.
News on 6's Marty Casper has the story you'll only see on 6.
Damage inside Oklahoma Disaster Restoration is upwards of $400,000. Knowing this, just imagine what it would have been like to be on the outside of this door with the twister bearing down.
I'm glad to see you. I'm okay.
Rogers Marshall is a father of 4, has an infectious smile, and today,
I'm blessed to be alive.
after being outside in a tornado,
Just the sound of the wind going by you, it's crazy.
he finished work and was about to head home to his wife.
I pull in here, like I said, it's just raining. I park in front of the fence, which is closed and locked.
The rain intensifies.
I thought just a summer storm, nothing much, it'll blow over.
He glances in his mirror.
And that's when I look back and I notice the trees.
Bending over, Rogers knows he's in trouble.
At that point, I'm thinking, okay, I need to get out this vehicle.
He opens the door and runs,
As I'm running, it's now starting to be small little debris.
peppering him. Then he's airborne.
I take a step and I feel myself lifting as I'm running.
The wind,
Throws me into the glass.
Rogers, now pinned, sees buildings get torn apart.
I'm up against the window and debris is just coming at me.
He sees this equipment flying. It smashes this wall, heading straight at him.
I'm watching it tumble towards me. It hits me, blows the window in, shatters in my back. I fall to the ground, it knocks me out. When I wake up, it's all debris over me.
He's hurt,
I'm gassed open on my arm, my head is cut and gassed open.
but gets inside. His first thought, tell his boss the building is damaged.
He's one of those that really keeps the whole crew upbeat.
Thankfully, he's okay, but his only car, a total loss. Still hard to believe he escaped with his life.
Once you've been in something like that, you'll never forget it.